This year will be more than last year. Last year we managed to do 2,000 participants, so this year we hope to achieve 2,500. Very much doable. For us, I mean, we can always try to push more, but on the technical side of things, KL Tower could cater, because due to how the run works, we release the runners every 5 seconds. So we try to have everything settled by noon. Hence, we target 2,500 that we can still manage for the event, for a half-day event. So the prizes in total, cash prizes, it's 80,000 ringgit Malaysia. So it's up for grab. All categories I mentioned in my speech. We have the open categories, we have the veteran categories, and also boys and girls, which to share again with everyone, last year we held for the national championship. So the ladies national champion was just an 11-year-old girl. So that's why I said that for the boys and girls category, don't be surprised that they can be really competitive. As I guess it's natural for kids to just run up and down the stairs, right? So it's good and it's open for everyone. Anyone can join, and you will finish. The finishing line is what we are quite excited about for this year. The most unique part of this year is the finishing line. So it will be at the Sky Garden, 292 meters, 1,608 steps. So really exciting, and hope everyone, maybe I think we can plan to have a preview with everyone after we have our lunch today. Thank you. Last year we received from 30 different countries around the world. So so everyone is welcome to join Tauran 24th edition. This is where Tauran was born, and look forward for this year's edition. There will be a special category. Kita nak meraihkan seramainya. So to your first question, kita dah achieve more than 50% registration up to date. So we have still about 1 month to go. So we're gonna push, and typically the registration will become more, akan bertambah pada penghujung menjelang tarikh larian, which is 20 September. Jadi InsyaAllah itu target kita, dan kita akan adakan kategori-kategori istimewa untuk meraihkan larian pada tahun ini. InsyaAllah. We will allow finishers to enjoy the finishing line, the finishing floor. So hence space is crucial for us to manage the run. So it's much more suitable to do it, to continue the finishing line at the same floor last year. Just that this year we enhance the floor, and we will allow finishers to spend their time and enjoy KL best city view at Sky Garden. So running jersey tadi kita peragakan kepada kita punya penari, 2 orang, lelaki dan perempuan. Both finish. Yes, so our mascot pun tadi kalau perasan diorang menggayakan. Saya kena customize size untuk diorang, and together with the medal actually yang kita peragakan. Jadi kali ni unik sikit, kita tunjukkan kita punya jersey dan medal pada kita punya mascot, iaitu KL dan Awa yang kita perkenalkan tadi.